63 Robin Drive today, just on the outskirts of Launceston, easy access to the A30, and this particular property is semi-detached with 4 bedrooms upstairs. One of them is en suite. You've got a separate dining room, living room that leads on into this conservatory that you can see behind me here. You've got a nice enclosed garden. It's on a couple of terraces, and it's well stocked with some nice fruit trees and things as well. So watch the video and then book a viewing. Take care. There's also a garage and parking for about 2 cars on the tarmac drive right next to the property.